All right, we are back on the Jonsered today. So with some inspiration from Buck and Billy Ray, I decided to try and source a 32-inch bar, which I've got one here, but the holes and the slot are not quite big enough for this old Jonsered. Apparently Husqvarna and Jonsered are compatible somewhere along the line, but not this old. And I'm guessing that whoever put this 26-inch bar, which is a really odd size, had the same issue. Because if you look real close on here, these look like they've been augered out by hand by somebody else. So I did go ahead and pick up a full house Oregon chain for the 26 to replace, the slightly worn chain that it had on it. And then we got a couple skip tooths here, one Husky, one Still. The Still being my favorite one, but why not? It's what they had in stock for bulk chain, so we'll give it a go. Okay, we got her in the vise. I'm gonna try and do a step drill and just get the ends of this wallered out a little bit, and then we'll fill the gaps with a, I don't know, die grinder or something, I guess. See what happens here. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be a problem. All right. Yeah, I was worried about that. Okay, new plan. Okay, I gave her another go, just kept the speed up, and it did kind of work for us. So we've gone and marked, a line from the big round to the big round across here. So we'll take our die grinder, try and get in there. Got the layout blue and the scribe line, or in our case, Sharpie and a pocket knife. But should work, so let's give this a go. Well, she ain't pretty, but we'll put it on the saw here and just see how we're looking. I mean, really, as long as the bolts, fit, it should be fine. Well, there she is on the saw. I mean, it's not great, but you gotta adjust the chain, whatever. It should be okay. And it lines up on the guide holes there. As long as our oiler plate is okay. How do I check that? What if we just stick a Sharpie? It's there. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. We'll go get a bar and chain thrown on this guy here. See how she does. we'll give it another little tweak here. Dig her down to the wood pile. So all the trees down in this pile here are just stuff that the wind has blown over summer on the property. That's just where it ends up. So we'll get the... So we'll get saw going. Put this up here somewhere. And see what happens. I did go and take the rakers down just a touch. It's all softwood here and pretty small, so here goes. That way. Oh, we're on the wrong side. Oh, I touched my stop. Stop again. No. What's going on here? Well, I gotta say, Buck and Billy Ray, you're right. This 32-inch bar on there, that extra weight on the tip just, pulls the saw right through the log. You're not manhandling it any extra, really. I've used 20s and 24s in the past. They're okay, but this fire weight is a dream. So I think we'll carry on with this one and get some more wood in the shed. Cheers.